Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Bumpboxx Remixx. Now you can pick this one up online, I'll throw the link up in the description. The original price on this was $300, but as of right now it's on sale for $210. I repeat, $210. Now let me say this, I already got one of these, I've been using it for a while. At $300, I would have to compare it to some other JBL speakers and some Sony speakers and do a full comparison. But at $200, this is a no-brainer, okay? This is a guaranteed win. Let's go through the specs real quick. Now this comes in a bunch of different colors. You got blue, red, yellow, pink, black, and white. Now this speaker features Bluetooth, but you can also connect it with a 3.5 cable, a TF card, or a USB stick. Now it features true wireless stereo. That means you can pair two of these together wirelessly. You got dual bass radiators, okay? You got two 5-inch drivers and four 2-inch tweeters. That's gonna give you 175 watts of max power. Now this reaches up to 112 decibels loud. You got 5 different EQ settings, plus you also got a bass and treble control. The battery life is 12 hours on a single charge. It comes with a wireless mic for karaoke. You got LED lights. You got a USB charge out so you can power up other devices. It comes with markers, I'm going to show you why, and a shoulder strap. And the speaker weighs about 12.5 pounds. All right, so all of that for $200. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Now, quick side note. I told y'all for the rest of this month, I'm going to be doing a lot of holiday gift ideas. And this right here, okay, this is the perfect gift if you know any old heads. And if you don't know what I mean by old heads, I mean anybody over 40 years old, they're going to appreciate this. This has that retro look. Check this out. And I had to dig in the closet and find one of these. This is called a cassette tape. All right, for all y'all youngsters out there, this is a cassette tape. This is how we used to record our music. You have to put one of these in, okay, and do your thing. All right, all y'all old school cats in the comments, let me know if y'all remember these. This is a cassette tape. This speaker has the retro cassette tape look to it. I am in love with it already. All right, so let's see what you get inside the box. All right, so here's what you get in the box. Of course, you got the Bumpboxx Remixx. We'll take a look at that in a second. It does come with the wireless microphone, which requires 2 AA batteries. Get this little pouch right here, and inside, check this out. Now, of course, you got usual books and shit, plug them and follow them. It comes with a bunch of different markers. Now, why is this important? You can actually write on this speaker and then just use a cloth and wipe it away. That's pretty dope. You do have your shoulder strap. Let's take a look at this. Okay, Bumpboxx branding on it. Nice quality strap. A little leather on each end. Okay, I like that. It comes with RCA cables. Okay, 3.5. You got a remote control. This is one-stop shopping. 3.5 auxiliary cables. And this is going to be your plug. Now for the plug, proprietary end. Okay, Bumpboxx troll stickers. And this is going to be 2 AA batteries for the microphone. Now let's see, anything else in here? Oh, look at this. Another little battery right here for the remote control. Like I said, one-stop shopping. Okay, this is the full plug. Now let's take a closer look at the actual speaker. Matter of fact, before we do that, let's try this out real quick. Now, this is from an old school experience. Let me show you what I just have to write on all of my cassette tapes. I used to write this. Do not tape over. Now, for y'all young cats who don't know, quick story time with Uncle Floss. Back in the days, if you got a tape like this and you recorded something on the radio, if you don't want nobody to tape over it, you just pop out these little plastic tabs. And then when you try to record, it won't record. So what my brother used to do is put little pieces of tissue inside of these while I'm sleeping and record over all of my songs. So I used to have to write, do not tape over on all of my cassettes. And if you notice, these cassettes come with little stickers that you stick right on the front. And you write the name of your songs or your mixes. Okay, so this is really giving those old school retro vibes. I love it. And when you're done writing, all you gotta do, wipe it off. How sick is that? That's pretty dope. Now let's go through the controls real quick. You got your power on and off. Okay, now let's see if I'm connected to my phone. Some music might start playing. Okay, hold on, just make sure. Okay, yeah. Hold on, let's hit pause. Hold on, let me turn. Hold on a second. Let me do that again. You see, I was bumping some old school music earlier. All right, we'll turn this back on again. Let me go to my Apple Music. Turn this off. Let me grab my phone. Okay, you see it's already paired up, just like that. Okay, so here's the buttons. Let's zoom in. Okay, get a good view. You got power on and off. Okay, this is going to be your DC. This is where you're going to plug it in. Okay, you got an LED light. You got auxiliary in and out. You got 5 different EQs. Okay, we'll go through all of those. Of course, you got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You got true wireless stereo. You got your mode button, so you can switch between your Bluetooth, micro SD card, or your USB. Okay, you got a TF card slot right here. USB, this is for USB flash drives, or you can actually charge another device. And you have LED lights. You see those lights? Bro, this is so sick. Now let me zoom back out. Okay, so that's all the buttons on the front. Okay, there's your speakers, your tweeters. Now if you flip it around, you got the 2 radiators on the back. Okay, more tweeters. You got a volume knob, treble, and bass. Now on the top, you do got a carrying handle that has a nice rubber grip to it. On the bottom, you got these big rubber stoppers that's going to keep it in place. But I love the detail. You see you got side A, okay? Side A, side B. Let's turn it around. This is going to be the B side. This is actually the back of the speaker, I believe. I'll just test it out again in a second. And this is pretty much it. Okay, now let me show you some of the different colors. Of course, obviously, this is the black. All right, so you've seen the Onyx Black. This is the Pink Magenta. Very nice looking. All right, now this one is called Highlighter Yellow, for obvious reasons. Next up, we have the Neon Blue. Beautiful. Now this is going to be my favorite color, Electric Red. I love this one. Now it also comes in Frost White. And as you can see, $209. All right, so before we do a little sound test, let's check some of the features. So I just plugged in a USB Type-C cable. Let's check the charge out. Okay, there it is. Charge up your phones, your tablets, your headphones, whatever you got on deck. All right, so I dimmed the lights a little bit. Let's check out the LED lights. Just hit the switch. There it is. And the good thing about that is you got LED lights on the front and on the back. All right, so now let's test out the wireless microphone. We're just gonna switch it up.
Test it, 1, 2, 3. Test it, 1, 2, 3.
Let me put on my DJ voice.
DJ Cringe back in the building once again. Available for all parties. Hit me up at 555-1212. 1212.
All right, so the wireless microphone works. All right, so now I'm going to do a little sound test. Now, as I'm playing the music, we're going to play with the different EQ settings, and then we'll also adjust the bass and the treble. Here we go. I like this one. Okay. Now you see the radiator shaking? I like that. Let's try another song real quick. I like a lot of bass. Let's go. Oh, look. I like maximum. This is the EQ setting right here. You can also turn it down from right here. All right, this is pretty dope. Now I noticed with different EQ settings, you might have to turn the bass down some, but this is the EQ setting I like. Let's try one more song. Let's do one more. Let's get max volume, maximum bass. Okay. Again, for $200, the retro design alone is worth it for me, but this sounds pretty good. Now let's try True Wireless Stereo. Now to set up True Wireless Stereo, real simple. Go to the first speaker, hold down the True Wireless Stereo button for about 3 seconds. You're gonna see it flash. Do the same thing on the second speaker, wait about 5 seconds, and they'll automatically connect to each other. All right, here we go.
Yo, I got a question for you. Yeah, how many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. Right? And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shop when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but it's the mathematics. Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rap average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who will backstab me. Never ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son wants something, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy, but I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts.
This is about 50% volume right here.
Driving crazy, shorty queens.
Let's run it back.
But if I post this little bitch on my close friends, you ask about it and I act like I got no sense. Spend on me, or would you spend for me? How deep is our love if that's what it takes for you to creep in the club? The shit beneath me, I still reach from above. The old me would've reached for the glove. I'm just playing, yeah, you know what I'm saying. But no, when it's over, I just hope that you stand. Because girl, it's easy to love me now. Baby, you crazy, but love me if I was down and out. But you still have love for me.
let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Bumpboxx Remixx a major go. Now at $300, I would have said the sound quality needed a little bit of work, but at $200, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. This is an absolute win. I love the retro design. You got the little LEDs on the front. I love that it comes with the microphone, the carrying strap. You got USB charge out, a bunch of different features on this. But most importantly, that retro design. Like I said, if you know any old school people and you're looking for a holiday gift, and they used to be a b-boy back in the days, they're gonna love this. All right, they are absolutely gonna love this. Anyway, Bumpboxx Remixx, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's why I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.